Hello everybody. So for today's video we are dehydrating some beets. Now I've already done like 90% of the prep work already. I just have to slice the beets up, which I do want to actually sharpen my knife. But as you can see here, I have the jelly roll pan, and I'm putting it on the on the very bottom dehydrator tray. You can see that here. And I'm just gonna stick one on top of this. I know I'm not gonna use all my trays, but that will catch all the liquid that is gonna come off of the beets, and I can keep that to save it for later. Okay. So you can use your mandolin if you want. If I would have been thinking, I would have done that, but honestly, it's not that much work just to slice through these. You don't want them too big, but you don't want them too small. So I've already peeled them and got them all washed up, but washed them, peeled them, you know, all of that fun stuff. And we're just gonna slice these all up. I'm not gonna take that one part because that part's the top of it. You just want to, you just want to lay these all out, single layer, the best you can anyway, along here. Oh, that's the top of the plant again. Okay. Whoop. And that's all we are gonna do, is line these up just like this. And if you want it to peel these, you just boil them. You give them a good washing and then you boil them for about 30 minutes. It just depends. You want to boil them until they're just about fork tender, and then into a pot of ice cold water and let them sit, and that water will make it much easier to peel, and it's much easier to peel them as well if you leave them in the water and peel them that way. And that way your hands don't become all purple as well, because I never end up with purple hands. That drives me nuts. But anyway, so I'll bring you guys back tomorrow when these are all done, because it'll just depend on how many I end up with as to how long it takes. But I'm gonna let these go overnight at about 140, again between 135 and 145, somewhere in there. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, so these are now done and dry, and they've sat for, oh, they've sat for quite a bit, and you guys can see that they are all lovely and dry. I just need to set all this up there. Okay, I have all my counters full, so you kind of got to deal with this angle. You can see they are, okay, here we go. Look at that. Oh, see, look at that. How pretty is that? It don't want to show itself. Here we go. Oh, not that side. Boop. Okay, so they're nice and dry. Still a bit rubbery though. I'm hoping this is gonna work. I may have to do this again. I don't know. We're gonna try it, because I want to make this into powder. They're all dry though, so that's the thing, is I'm hoping that this will turn out good. So let me just get these all into my blender, and then I'll blend them, and I will bring you guys right back. Okay, so we have this all ground up, and I wanted to make sure. Now I'm actually going to dry this again on a jelly sheet, just because I want to make sure everything is nice and dry. And look at all that stuff in a lid, you know, is fine, but okay, sorry. Okay, so here, where are you? There you are. So you can see it turned out pretty good, but it's still, there's definitely still some moisture in there, and I just want to make sure I get rid of it. So I'm going to run this on the dehydrator just so I can really, you know, you want to make sure there's no moisture in this or else it'll just go bad and then you'll have wasted all the work that you just did. And the produce that you're using. Okay, so I'll bring you guys back because this is going to take me a while. I'll bring you guys back in a few hours once this is all done. Okay, and here we go. We have the beet powder done. It has been dried. It is very nicely powdered here. Let me see. Can you focus? Don't focus over there. Focus here. Focus. Okay. Focus. We'll focus. There we go. So you can see beautiful beet powder. Now you're gonna ask, how am I gonna use this? I'm gonna use it in some soups, just for a little bit of flavoring. I'll probably use it in some drinks, and I'll also use it for food coloring because it's a natural food color, natural food dye. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you soon. Bye.